5 Kelvin 3, 0 fps action camera. Camera protected by waterproof case. Comes with remote control. All kinds of accessories. Dual colorful screen. Touch screen. Different resolution options. Different video mode. The loop video mode can make the action camera works looks like dash cam. Pull the screen, you will enter the main menu. Usually we just keep the default setting. If you need select some different option, you can select it by yourself. Now let's check some video footage recorded by the camera. 5 Kelvin 3, 0 fps eyes off. Now we turn on eyes function. The image become more narrow. Test it in the swimming pool. Test camera on the bicycle with eyes function on. The anti-shake function works well. We can see the car plate number. This action camera is good enough for daily usage. Subscribe us to watch more reviews.